Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get easy orbs in Geometry Dash. Orbs are a vital in-game currency, allowing you to unlock new icons and customize your character. The most straightforward way to gather them is by simply playing and completing levels. Consistent engagement with the game's various modes will naturally lead to a steady accumulation of these valuable resources, enhancing your overall experience and progression. Engaging with daily activities is a fantastic way to boost your orb count. Daily quests and levels refresh regularly, providing a consistent source of orbs. Don't forget to open your daily chests, which often contain orbs, diamonds, and other valuable shards. Furthermore, tackling and completing gauntlets can reward you with a substantial amount of mana orbs, sometimes hundreds, along with other exciting bonuses. Playing through the official Rob top levels is a reliable method for earning orbs, as each completion grants a decent sum. Beyond that, map packs are a treasure trove, grouping community-created levels that collectively offer thousands of orbs. If you manage to conquer all of the map packs, including the challenging demon packs, you could accumulate an impressive total of over 59,100 mana orbs. The vast world of user-created levels is an excellent resource for orb farming. Focusing on easier levels can be very efficient. Additionally, Geometry Dash features secret vaults like the Vault, Vault of Secrets, and the Wraith. These hidden areas often contain codes that, when entered, can directly reward you with mana orbs, sometimes granting 10 or even 69 orbs, along with other unique items.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.